2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Boehringer Ingelheim's JASCAYD, also known as nerandomilast, has received approval from Japan's Ministry of Health, Labor, and Welfare for adults with idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis and progressive pulmonary fibrosis. The approval follows Fibroneer IPF and Fibroneer-ILD data showing that the studies met forced vital capacity endpoints at week 52, potentially adding a new oral PDE4B inhibitor option for fibrotic lung disease management. Beam Therapeutics presented additional Phase I/II BEAM-302 data at ATS 2026 in alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency. BEAM-302 is a one-time liver-targeted lipid nanoparticle base editing therapy for AATD. The update included single-dose safety, durability, and human neutrophil elastase activity findings, supporting plans for a pivotal cohort in the second half of 2026. Korro Bio selected KRRO-111 as a development candidate for alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency. KRRO-111 is a GalNAc-conjugated oligonucleotide designed to edit SERPINA1 RNA in hepatocytes. Preclinical PZZ mouse data showed correction of AAT transcripts and reduced pathogenic Z-AAT production, reflecting continued diversification of genetic medicine strategies in AATD. Savara reported biomarker data from the Phase III IMPALA-2 trial of molgramostim inhalation solution in autoimmune pulmonary alveolar proteinosis. The study evaluated once-daily nebulized molgramostim for 48 weeks and reported improved DLCO % versus placebo, along with reductions in LDH, CYFRA21-1, and KL6 biomarkers. Infex Therapeutics announced positive Phase IIa results for RESP-X, also known as INFX-702, in non-cystic fibrosis bronchiectasis patients colonized with Pseudomonas aeruginosa. RESP-X is an antivirulence immunoglobulin 4 monoclonal antibody targeting the PCRV protein in the type 3 secretion system. The trial met safety and tolerability objectives with favorable pharmacokinetics, no immunogenicity, and exploratory efficacy signals. Nuance Pharma announced that China's NMPA cleared an IND for Actair, a house dust mite allergy immunotherapy tablet. The clearance supports a Phase III randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial in allergic rhinitis, potentially expanding development of immunotherapy options in China. Cereno Scientific confirmed that the first volunteer was dosed in a Phase I PK-bridging study of CS014. CS014 is a deuterated HDAC inhibitor being developed for pulmonary hypertension associated with interstitial lung disease. The study compares CS014 with valproic acid and is intended to support Phase IIb development. Precigen received U.S. orphan drug exclusivity for PAPZIMEOS, also known as Zopagene imidenovec-RBA, for adults with recurrent respiratory papillomatosis. The exclusivity is effective through August 14, 2032, adding regulatory protection for this FDA-approved therapy. Stay ahead in respiratory research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lq